when we worked with clients one-on-one, we help them not only become symptom-free from joint pain, but as well as brain fog, and normalize the lab work. So we had clients who had high blood pressure that normalized in 2 weeks. Their blood sugar normalized in 2 weeks. As you know, people can manage their diabetes through avoiding certain foods, but actually in our classes that we teach our clients, there are foods that you can eat, even though it can keep your blood sugar down, but it does not reverse diabetes. So in a program, we actually teach you how to reverse insulin resistance, as well as improve your organ function, so your pancreas actually produces more insulin. And we also been able to repair kidney diseases in 30 days. So we had clients who had 5% kidney function, and it doubled. So it went up to 10% in 7 days, because these clients were on dialysis and they measured their GFR and creatine levels and BUN levels, and we saw rapid improvements. And so most other doctors, they work with you for 6 months, and it takes them 6 months to help you improve your kidney function, while majority of our clients are seeing results in 40 days, because everything that you see on a page, if you go through the posts or videos, that's typically the results a client get in 6 weeks. So how does that work? Is every day what we do is we tell you what you have to do in your recovery based on your disease and symptoms and the experience reversing it. So first we have to optimize your recovery plan. And then the second step is every day we look over your symptoms, what you're doing and eating, and answer your questions and make adjustments based on the progress you're making. So I have a question for you. What kind of doctor is sitting with you every day and telling you, okay, this is what we need to change. Here's the answer to your question. This is what you're doing wrong. This is what we need to change based on the results you're getting. But as well as here's education that we provide. We also provide education to help you understand what you're doing and why you're doing it, and how to maintain your results long term. So I'm gonna tell you that clients who followed our process, this is really amazing. We have clients who emailed us after they worked with us for only 40 days. They told us they continued following what they told them to do. We had clients who were completely bald. They had Hashimoto's disease, and Hashimoto's disease is a disease that destroys your thyroid. And then they got alopecia, so their hair completely fell out. They were bald. So we had a client who was completely bald when we started. She tried steroids. She tried all types of diets. And in a program, her hair started regrowing in 2 weeks. And also, she was able to get off all her thyroid medications. So 6 months later, or actually a year later, she emailed us and she told us that her hair regrew and she's off all of her medications. And we shared her email on a YouTube video here as well. So let me see if you can hear me. Hi Angie, good to see you. Of course, if you're here and you're watching this video, just say hello in the comments below. I'm not, let me see if I can, I haven't even tested my sound, but let me see if I can hear myself. Just make sure, let me know if you can hear me, if my sound is working. Hi Anthony. Yes, I can hear you. Okay, great. So let me know what questions you have for us. So I'm telling you some amazing results our clients have seen when we work together, and understand that majority of people who come to us for help, they eat really healthy. They've been eating healthy for years before they even find us. And we've been able to help them problem solve what are the things they need to change to be able to give the body what they need to repair itself. So oftentimes it's things that they are doing wrong that they're not realizing, or something they're not doing enough of, or even the way you prepare your food and how much you eat makes a difference between remission versus disease reversal. But everything we have documented on this page and YouTube channel is how usually the results our clients get in just 40 days. So every day we're working with them. Every day we're telling them what we have to do or change, and we give them feedback daily. And I don't know any doctor who is doing that right now, and also providing the education, because it's a one-on-one help that we're doing. It's not a group program. Each person is working with us one-on-one, and they're getting daily unlimited feedback. And when I look at other doctors, it usually takes a patient 6 months to see results, even improve their kidney function. But we had clients improve their kidney function within days or 30 days if they're able to do everything to full capacity and continue their recovery based on what we're teaching them to do and based on the results that they're getting. So we're very specific in terms of our instructions. So we had a client recently we worked with who found us on TikTok, and she went to do stem cell therapy. She told us she spent $30,000 working with doctors, going to Mexico to do stem cell therapy. It didn't work for her. She still had a lot of pain in her shoulders, in her joints. She had arthritis and Hashimoto's disease. And in a program within 2 weeks, she started seeing improvements. And she was in a video she shared with us, by 6 weeks, she was feeling 90% better. In 6 weeks, just 6 weeks, even though she spent $30,000 working with other doctors doing stem cell therapy, and she found us on TikTok and she decided to work with us even though other things didn't work for her. So many people who find us, they're very skeptical and they don't think anything will work for them, or they tried other things that didn't work for you. But that's how it was for our clients. They tried many other things. It didn't work for them either. But they didn't give up, because everything you try, eventually you're going to find what works for you. So, so let me see what questions you have for me. Glad to see you here today. Hi, Faith. Good to see you. I haven't done many live videos. My light died. the battery was, I don't know how, I never even use this. I got this light on Amazon because I thought it's gonna give me better lighting, but it just died. Actually, I can use iPhone. How you can do the lighting? You can just put the iPhone like this. Wait, yeah, but I don't know if it's making any difference. I can't even see myself anymore. Okay, let's see. If I put this here, it just doesn't make any difference. Yeah, so. Let me know if you have any questions for me. I was just sharing. Okay, so Allah said she's not seeing any of our posts. So make sure you follow our page. You don't just like our page, because and you have to engage with our page. If you engage with our page and you like a post, or you comment on a post, then you're gonna see more of our content. As you know, with Facebook and Instagram and YouTube, that things have changed over the years. Unless you engage with our content, then you won't see anything that we share. And in fact, my sister makes a lot of good posts that are motivational, that really change your mindset and make you have a better life, not just in terms of your health, but just having better relationships with your family, in your career. So my sister makes a lot of posts that help you to have a better life. So it's not just about nutrition that we share on this page or on our social media accounts. It's not just about our client results. It's really about helping you create stronger mindset, and also think about how you think about your disease or your life. So recently we did a podcast episode that I'm really excited about with Rudy Moore. We talked about how you can achieve peak performance. And we talked about some tips and strategies you can implement to improve your productivity, and as well as help you with brain fog. So we discussed some supplements. And Rudy Moore, actually, he's a very successful business owner and entrepreneur, and he has degrees in nutrition. He started as a nutritionist. He worked with thousands of people, and he helped them with their nutrition as well as he worked with nutritional experts. So he has a lot of knowledge in nutrition. So it was really good interview that we had with him to talk about nutrition. Okay, so let me see what else I want to talk. And also, when he has a new episode that premiered on Amazon Prime, and in that episode, he takes different entrepreneurs and he puts them through 60 days of hustle. So it's basically a competition show where you can watch what it takes to actually build a business and all the things that go into it. So it's a new show that Rudy Moore produced, and it's on Amazon Prime that you can watch it. It's called 60 Day Hustle. And when they were filming that episode, one of the episodes, we were in the background in it. So there's like 6 episodes. And also one of our clients we recently worked with, she was no longer diabetic. So we were able to normalize her blood sugar levels just in 6 weeks. And she went back to retest her lab work with her doctor. I don't see. Let me see. Oh, yes. Also, if you know anyone who needs a help, even though you might not know, you might not need a help now, but you might know someone who needs a help. We still have a referral program, and our referral program is really good, where if a client that you refer to work with us and they end up working with us, we send you a referral payment, which is really good right now. Most doctors, I don't know any doctor who does a referral program. In fact, in our niche, who helps people with autoimmune diseases, they don't do that, but we actually do that. So even if you might not know, you might not need help with your health, but you might know someone who needs help, we are happy to send you a referral payment if a person who ends up working with us. Or we give you a discount in a program, or we give you a consultation, just whatever you want, works for you. Oh, we also did another episode with a client who had Lyme disease. She's a business owner, and she talked about how illness was impacting her business and her family life. And that's a really good 30-minute episode. She talked about her health and how she struggled with her health, different things that she has tried. And also she had a lot of pain from Lyme disease, a lot of joint pain. And by week 6, her pain was 0. And her joints and her knees did not hurt. So what did we discuss in this episode? If you want us to send you a link, it was really good and interesting episode we did with a client who struggled with Lyme disease and how she was able to recover, different things that she has tried, and how her disease was impacting her life and her business. And as well as we met her in a different mastermind, and that's how she was following a page and decided to get her help. So if you want to watch that episode, let us know. We can send you a link in the comments. So just comment in the comments, and I will share a YouTube link with you so you can watch it. And also I wanted to ask you, let me see. I'm just looking to see if anybody has anything they want to add before I finish this video. Hi Amber, I don't know if you're still watching the video, but it's good to see you. And let me see, we do have an Amazon shop. A lot of people ask us like, what are the things we recommend for hair? There's some natural hair conditioners you can use. They're only like $10 to $15 that we put on our hair before we wash our hair the night before, maybe a few hours before. So we have things that we linked on our Amazon based on what we personally use, as well as what our clients have asked us, like natural face washes or hair treatments or shampoos, things like that we linked on our Amazon. If you're interested to see our Amazon shop, because I like to look for new things that I know working for me, especially for my hair, because we scuba dive. My sister and I scuba dive, so water and the sun really damages your hair. So we need to use a conditioner to condition our hair and make it softer. Because the sun and the ocean really causes a lot of damage to your skin and your hair. So there's a lot of shampoos that we use. Just some of them are just $10 to $15 that you can put overnight or the night before or a few hours before to help you heal your hair from sun damage. So if you're interested to know what we use for hair, you can comment below, and I'll comment the Amazon shop for that. So this is a hair, and again, a hair is natural, and most people these days use hair extensions, but we've been able to grow a hair without having to use any supplements, and also all through nutrition, because of course we teach our clients how to even regrow their hair from having alopecia. So of course we're gonna practice what we teach our clients. So if you're looking to improve the health of your hair, we can give you some suggestions, some of the things you can do for your hair. please send me the link. Magdalena just asked for Amazon shop, right? That's what you're asking. I can send you the link. There's some things we use. I don't even know what on the Amazon shop. Yes, some natural things you could put on your hair. Just you can decide what you want to use. But there's shampoos, conditioners we use. But mostly it's conditioners that we think we found really helpful. Because like I said, we scuba dive a lot and it really causes a lot of damage, but it helped us to maintain softer hair. And there's also some makeup products I use. Some of them are natural that you can put when you go swimming for a day. Let's say you go to the beach for a day, and of course you can put lipstick, it's gonna come off, but there is a lip stain that's natural, doesn't have any toxins, and you can use it and it actually makes your lips pink for the whole day at the beach. I really like that one. There's also some lip glosses, and we like just organizer for your skincare, natural serum infused mascara, so it helps your eyelashes grow as well. I have linked on the Amazon. I'm gonna send you the link. I'm gonna message you the link, but I also put a link in the comments. Let's see. And for the hair, there's also a biotin oil that we use. It's only $15. You can spray your hair with it. It's very nice. It's oil mist. It's actually 25% off on Amazon right now. Everything's on Amazon. Most of the things we get on Amazon. And good coconut oil for your hair too. Some kitchen stuff, some skincare. I'm really passionate about skincare. As you know, the health of your skin, of course, first it starts from the inside out. So you can improve the quality of your skin and as well as production of collagen by eating the foods. So everything starts internally. But there's some things you can do externally, some nice face masks that I really enjoyed because the way that they're made. Actually, there's difference between different face masks, but there's some of them that I really like. Let me see. Okay, so